do know. You cut up the breadfruit. You cook some food, man.
Yeah, I cook some curry chicken mac and yam, banana, dumpling, breadfruit, Jamaican style.
You're a knife that?
Yeah.
So you cut out the middle?
Yeah.
Why you cut out the middle? But you cut it too deep, man. Lord God, man. And then you cut out the breadfruit and that. It's too deep, man. Lord.
No, I cut too deep. Yeah, alright, man.
Nick. A breadfruit, this is not my lad. Right? The man cut off the breadfruit and that shit went to. No man, we would have blended, would have put this in the Vitamix, blend the middle too, you know. Hey, Jamaica no know say, and the middle and the skin important, you know. Boy, man, I tell you. We things raw for, you know. And them things I eat, you know, we do a breadfruit raw. Raw broccoli, raw banana, raw plantain. So what the difference between this and a banana?
Not have to cook.
Have to cook when I'm sick.
So the donkey wait till it...
Yo, everyone was a good life when I see you. Yo, and I see show you. Man. Yo, where's the money donkey, man?
When you say donkey have stove and firewood and pot. I wait for it.
My grandmother always say that anything we goat eat,
We can
we
eat.
can't eat.
You ever see goat eat a piece of breadfruit?
Yeah, man.
Tear it up.
Yeah, man.
If you see Haga eat breadfruit, then we eat pan wood side fire. When the pot are done. We used to cook hard feeding, but you see breadfruit, perfect example. 98 degrees in the sun. And it tastes good enough. Raw. Just bark it.
Try me, Sonic.
Nice.
You mad, man?
Try it, Nick.
No,
You're a
man.
big man.
You don't want to
You're
tell
not
that,
dead.
man.
Come
no,
on.
Man.
I'll show
you
you the
don't want
pan.
that, man.
I'll show you the pan. How the world I see you.
don't
Don't punk out now.
Me don't want that, man. Me say me don't want it,
It's
man.
good for your teeth, man.
Me know. Me don't want it.
Alright, on you. Try please. Oh no, so scared.
Stop, slow down.
Oh no, so scared. You see all the skin? Just wash it and blend it up, you know. Put some ginger in it and drink the breadfruit juice now. Try the raw breadfruit with raw honey
Any?
and nutmeg,
Yeah, man. Cookie, man.
and then go deal with your woman.
Sure, you're not going to too much.
So I might eat the breadfruit raw. Buy a piece of it.
Roast already?
No, raw. What do you mean no? Cause you never know.
My piece have got a son.
Raw.
He can't eat raw, but
Raw,
he
me
put
say.
his son. I put his son.
Raw, me say. When you see palm tree I grow, you don't eat orange raw.
Me eat banana raw. So banana green,
Alright.
me eat it. But breadfruit, me not like it skin in my mouth.
Raw.
Skin in my mouth.
Pineapple you eat.
Pineapple.
Raw.
It's all up in my mouth. Me eat it too.
Why else you eat raw?
What about something?
Pear you eat raw.
Yeah, man. My man crave milk cream, man. They boys have me
What's the
milk
difference with breadfruit then?
cream. Steamy.
What fruit is like breadfruit? Jackfruit, no, they like breadfruit.
Yeah, but that should have to be very ripe for me to eat it too.
So the breadfruit, right?
Buy me, no? Buy me.
Raw.
It's steamy, like cute.
Sure, so you can't eat raw.
Yeah, what I tell us on everybody. You must have
Okra, raw.
Yeah, man. All food
So bite the
raw.
breadfruit.
No, it's really hard. And a piece of got son. You tell us that you mash me.
Oh, you mean, my mash up?
No, me, I do
If you
something.
blend that in the juicer with ginger and honey, right? Put a dragon in there. Go back to your woman.
Stay nice.
This here, sir, your super strength raw. Try half a breadfruit one day in our blender and see what you do to your woman.
Yeah, man, you keep it.
But you have to be man enough, you know. Donkey dash
A
way.
donkey feet about that.
Donkey dash way heart. It's called donkey trunk. You have to be like a donkey man. Donkey trunk, you know.
Yeah, man. Hey, hard.
Come on, Nick, bite the breadfruit.
No, daddy, man.
I believe so only that one good life, you know.
Lock the door.
Says I wonder how the man probably know. He's going to one. I wonder. What's that do to you? What's that do to you? It's like a big man, man. The rain, when it's a rain, it rain hard, yeah, so.
I rain off my stomach for the rain.
Sometimes he would have never seen fire. So Kitana, you gonna give man problem now. Why you not easy down? Why you so rough with man? Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
What him do? What him do for your living?
Yes.
He's a chef too? I pay a chef your date. I pay a chef around after you. Where him work? A Burger King chef, your boyfriend. Oh, what do you mean? That's not a chef. That's a burger flipper. Why? We'll buy this breadfruit on the phone.
I'm at the internet spoil.
And one day, no. So I go back to the mom and say, yo, one day, my lad, and the breadfruit they hollow. Or breadfruit I go hollow one day. I hear you put in it. Something went down with that breadfruit there.
We pick them and put them in the water. Out of market, they say,
Yeah.
they are named deer.
Oh, chase it, Pokey.
So where chicken batty then?
Yeah, look, I chicken batty you look for.
Me love. No chicken batty now in them.
Really, Pokey? Go the hot sauce there, big man. And where the live chopper pepper there?
Yes, I want to know how to come to
Get some pepper, cut up some pepper for me, man, with some hot sauce. Him good? That chef already?
Pick up crow 4 o'clock.
Yeah, what? Jamaica nice everywhere. The dog them a back, straight to the night them a back.
So, where phone the dog live a foreign? In a house or out of door?
House, that better tapping nice. That no back, them get ticket for dog back in a building. Yeah.
Seriously?
You have to make sure you train the dog. Don't say nothing in the night when people are asleep. Car can't even blow, you get ticket. Dog can't bark. All the dog my friend, shut up. You see if you hear a dog bark, I want the dog there. Fix him. Dog can't come out the road. You must dog there fire in the Brooklyn and walk and not one of them. If him see one dog a bark and say, for a second, but him go too long, everybody look on the owner. Fix it. Fix it. Too much nice. Dog can't bark, you see how you say? Dog bark throughout the night. Rooster get up 4 o'clock. Some of think say Rooster about 6 o'clock. Rooster 4 o'clock.
Is it 4 o'clock there?
4 o'clock, people can't wake up at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock there.
No wonder why I say no Rooster in their own resort. Because if Rooster did their own the resort them, if white people them would have cost too. Kill all the Rooster them around the resort. Kill the one of them. Me see if I ask him, I say the Rooster bright and face every morning. And we do one Then he made the other one don't say another one hand sign. Then the other one hand sign and them keep hand signing each other. Oh, so me check the time. I say, I wonder what time them Rooster have through. Hey, man, I get up 4 o'clock or so?
Right during the night they walk. So the dog they see them.
But
First, if I go
people
back.
are get up 4 o'clock.
Yeah, then they
To
go
go work?
down, then they go all boat, then they go to work.
4 o'clock?
Yeah.
Why the Rooster have so early?
So the cock, I want next thing when they use as a time.
Me know.
And the next thing again, when they let dog a road, cock up make nice. He said, kiss me, hear me tell you. That's why me go on my bed early. Look what that goes and coldness are you here. That's why me go on my bed so early. But them they come here dog get me now know me take you, me body broke.
So Rooster go bed
You
early.
know
Rooster
say 6 o'clock so fall down in bed.
6 p.m.
Fall down in bed.
So him not get lick.
So you don't get lick. Allow me tell sir. Okay.
Cause dog get some lick out here, I know.
Master.
Me say.
What is it? He can't manage it. That's why I'm going so early, so that's why I wake so early.
Dirty Rooster them, me go and tie them up and choke them. If you ever crow again, I go and hang you.
And that's why I wake so early.
Me there on here, so the first me a long time I hear a Rooster. So the first day, me hear him. cute. I say, alright, oh nice little rooster. That's so cute. You see after the second year, I say, alright, I give
Yeah, why you joking?
I say, alright. You see after the second, I give the rooster a blind now. I give him a blind now. Him no know something there. I give him a blind. Third year. I say, alright, I go for him there. I take up a stone and throw it to
So
the...
you
Yeah, right next to me. Loud, you know?
next door.
Yeah, in the palm, man. Amplifier in the pan. Loud. So now I put on my headset now. Cause I'm sleep in my headset. Damn Roosters in Jamaica. Me don't miss them. Cause you can't do it at
You don't hear
fine.
them just sitting at fine.
No, and then the peony wall, they couldn't make me, cause them loud on you, so. You know, I can't have a concentrated amount of peony wall.
What is that, the moonie?
I'm the cricket them.
So you know you cricket back fine.
No, hardly. No cricket there in the park. No food not there to eat.
No one did that for you.
No food there, no them grass there. No, cricket there, but you're not going to hear cricket like you're going born in the bush. In the city,
Remember, say a whole cricket, like in a dirt.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, this when we dey school, how you plant like cabbage and cock chai, then bring under the cock chai under the ground, then name out the root. You understand? And bring
Can
it
you cut
down.
them, you know?
Bring it down.
Your farm here.
Yes, when we go there, you have to look good for know, say, and then you move the dirt at the side of the road and see the munching. You understand? And you will find one or two, but they move on under the dirt. So they go on.
yeah, man, them loud around here, so.
They enough.
Yeah. Me not sleep good lately.
Then you have to cut them on for the day. What if I call them out? They name them out.
Who named them out?
Hmm?
What you say? Come. You did have hog too?
Yeah.
Goat?
No,
So she never grew up with no animal?
No. Good.
So Kitana, you don't know no country life, Kitana.
Wake up early morning time, 6 o'clock, but I boat. Kiara pass, classmate them up pass. Yes, Kitana, tie out the goat.
You embarrassed when you see them?
No. Me? I couldn't care this. I love farming, so. And when they like try to choke me about it, they say, you don't know the incident.
Hey, you talk to him boyfriend, say if anything...
Me? Me don't know about boyfriend, Nikita.
You don't know him boyfriend?
No, so.
How come your man don't know your boyfriend?
Because.
Cause what? Explain that to me.
No, me not introduce nobody to my mother until me deem them worthy. Understand?
You never kiss you yet? Your father role, so I have to play the father role. You never kiss you yet? You see? You can't answer them questions there. If a man kiss you, you're supposed to know your mother right now. If I kiss you, I touch you, mama must know. Because the dad's not around, you take things for granted. If me or your father, and you say you have boyfriend and mama don't know about boyfriend. Because mama have to put on the time my face as a boy. If you get me as a pregnant, you better marry him.
Them days at one time in the back when they have got the flip flag on the hoodie. Remember the days that too?
Kitana, we need to have a talk with a boy.
Father role, what you mean? Talk to mine, yes.
But if you talk to me because when you're young, and if you think anything go happen, animal go run. This is for life. And if anything happen to you, we are going to hunt him down. I chain on him, and he's not going away. To get those parts, because we are going to kill it.
Oh my God.